So hello everyone, welcome to the live learning app of EduPower Academy. This is your demo class for general aptitude. I am Sarth Marwa, your educator, and I teach logical reasoning and general aptitude. So let's get started. Okay. If we talk about general aptitude, in general aptitude there is a chapter called as analogy. Okay. So we'll be discussing this chapter. The name of the chapter is analogy, and in this analogy we will be studying today analogy, and we will also be discussing the previous year questions which are asked in CUET exam. Okay. Now what is the type of question which is asked in analogy? So in analogy the question is of this form. Question is of the form A is to B is to C is to D. Okay. So what happens in questions of analogy is a certain relationship is given between A and B. We need to figure out that relationship, we need to find that relationship, and using that relationship we need to get D from C. Okay. We need to see what relationship is there, and using that relationship we need to get D from C. This is what happens in analogy. Okay. In analogy questions are basically of three types. Three types of questions are asked in analogy. Three types of questions are asked. First type of question is the number based analogy. Number based analogy. Okay. Yeah. First is the number based analogy. So what happens in number based analogy? In number based analogy we make use of numbers. For example, here if we say 4 is to 16, so 5 is to what? Question mark. Okay. What will come in place of 5? What will come in place of question mark? Okay. So we know that a certain relation is there between the first and the second number. What is this relation? We can say that 4 square is equals to 16, right? So what should come in place of question mark is 5 square is equals to 25. These are questions on number analogy. In questions on number analogy, a number is given to us and we have to find the D. Okay, we have to find the value of D. Second type of analogy questions are the GK based analogy questions. Okay, we have to GK based analogy questions. In GK based analogy questions, what is there is that we are given certain pieces of GK in place of A, B, C, D, and we need to find the value of D. Okay. For example, I will give you an example of number analogy. Yeah. For example, MP is to Bhopal, Rajasthan is to question mark. Okay. So what is the relation between MP and Bhopal? So Bhopal is the capital of MP, right? Bhopal is the capital of MP. Likewise, what is the capital of Rajasthan? It is Jaipur. So in these questions we basically need to use our GK. Okay. Second type is the GK based analogy questions, and third type is your letter based analogy questions. Third type is your letter analogy questions. Okay, in letter analogy questions, in place of A, B, C and D, what we have are alphabets or letters. Okay. So let's just get an idea what are letter analogy questions. For example, if I say AB is to CD, Okay, AB is to CD, so PQ is to question mark. AB is to CD, so PQ is to question mark. So what we are doing here is how we are getting CD from AB, how we are getting this. So if I have a look at it, so when we add 2 to A, जब हम 2 ऐड करते हैं A में, we get C. Okay, likewise when we add 2 to B, what we get is D. Okay, so in the same way, if we add 2 to P, we should get what? R, and when we add 2 to Q, what we should get is S. So the correct answer is RS. Okay. Now we will have a look at all these three types in detail in this lecture. Okay. So we will first start with GK based analogy questions. GK based analogy questions. For example, just have a look at this question number 9. Just have a look at this question number 9. So question is, select the option in which the words share the same relationship as that shared by the given pair of words. Okay. So these pair of words is given, we have to find the option which shares the same relationship as shared by the given pair of words. So for example, it is given wheel is to spoke. Okay. So wheel, what relation we can draw between wheel and spoke? We can say that wheel has spoke, wheel has spoke, right. So the relation here which is drawn is has. Okay. Now can we say chapter has book? No, this is incorrect. Chapter does not has book, book has chapters. Can we say table has chair? No, table does not has chair. They are two distinct things. Star has galaxy? No, star does not has galaxy. Okay, galaxy has stars in fact. House has rooms, house has rooms. Now this is correct, okay, because we know that house has rooms. So this is correct. Okay. So answer for this question is D. Moving on to the next question. So whatever doubts are there, please put all your doubts in the chat box. Our course will be a live learning course. You can clear all your doubts using the chat box. Next is question number 10. Lotus is to flower. Lotus is to flower. So basically what? Lotus, what is the relation? Lotus is a type of flower. Lotus is a type of flower, right. Now we can check the options. We should just check the options. So Rial is a type of currency, seems to be correct. Okay, it's a currency of Iran. Metal is a type of copper, wrong. Metal is not a type of copper. Copper is a type of metal. Paper is a type of book, wrong. Furniture is a type of wood, wrong. Okay. So the correct answer here is that lotus, as lotus is a flower, hence Rial is a type of currency, right. Moving on to the next question. Audition is to selection. Okay. Now audition is to selection. So what happens is audition, it leads to selection. Selection is the outcome of audition, right. Audition leads to selection. So loyalty, can we say loyalty leads to fraud? This is incorrect. Loyalty does not lead to fraud. Examination leads to passing. Yes, we can say that passing is the outcome of examination. Passing is the outcome of examination. We can say that. Seems to be correct. Competition leads to poem, or outcome of competition is poem, wrong. Outcome of machine is fault, wrong. Okay. Okay. So moving on to the next question. Bacteria illness. Okay. So bacteria, what we can say is that bacteria causes illness. Bacteria causes illness. You can say that, right? Appraisal causes performance, no. Disease causes doctor, no. Painting causes painter, no. Carelessness causes error, seems to be correct. The cause of error is the carelessness. So here what type of relationship is there? Causes type relation is there. A causes B. Okay. Moving on to the next question. Office is to work. Okay. Office is to work. So in office a person works. In office a person works. Okay. In office a person works. Likewise in court a person lawyer, wrong. In school a person studies, correct. In house a person bricks, wrong. In hospital a person director, wrong. So basically the first one is the place of basically office is the place to work, right. Likewise school is the place to study. Okay. Office is the place to work, so school is the place to study. Moving on to the next question. Examination is to invigilator. Examination is to invigilator. So what we know is examination, what is the keyword? What is this relation between A and B? So examination is supervised. Examination is supervised by an invigilator, right. Examination is supervised by an invigilator. Likewise, can we say bank is supervised by loan? Incorrect. Inspection is supervised by approval? Incorrect. Film is supervised by comedian? Incorrect. But yes, we can say that election is supervised by observer, right. Election is supervised by observer. Okay. Next question, question number 16. Minister is to council, so sailors is to what? Question number 16. Minister is to council, so sailors is to question mark. So we know that a group of minister is called as a council. A group of minister is called as a council, right. So likewise we can say that a group of sailors, what is a group of sailors called? What is a group of sailors called? A group of sailors is called as a crew. Okay. So group of sailors is called a crew. C, correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Okay. Now important points to keep in mind while solving analogy question is. What are important points to keep in mind? So we have studied all these questions. Okay. So first is there may be a cause and effect relationship. क्या हो सकता है? एक cause and effect relationship हो सकता है. जैसे कि what can happen is a bacteria, we can say that bacteria causes illness, right? Bacteria causes illness. So for example, tell me bacteria is to illness, so virus is to what? Bacteria is to illness, so virus is to what? What does virus cause? There can be many answers. COVID, virus can cause COVID, right? It can cause COVID. Next is there may be a synonym antonym relationship. Example, dark is to light. Okay, so what we are studying is we are studying some important points to keep in mind to solve the word analogy questions, right? So there may be a synonym antonym relationship. For example, dark is to light. Okay, dark is to light. So what is sharp is to? What is sharp is to? Tell me. So they are opposites of each other. Dark is opposite of light, sharp is opposite of blunt, right? Sharp is opposite of blunt. So answer is blunt. Now there may be a group relationship. Example, flower is to bouquet, right? Flower is to bouquet. So we know that a group of flowers is called as a bouquet, right? Group of flowers is called as a bouquet. Likewise, ministers is to what? Should be ministers is to council. A group of ministers is called as a council, right? Next is there may be a change in degree. Example, breeze is to hurricane. Breeze is to hurricane. So when wind blows slowly, it is called as a breeze. When it blows fast, it is called as a hurricane. Breeze is to hurricane. Fifth, there may be a particular category. Example, books is to encyclopedia. We know that encyclopedia is a type of book. It's a variety. It's a particular category of book. It's a particular category of book, right? Likewise, what we can say? Fruits is to apple, right? Because we know that apple is a type of fruit, right? Apple is a type of fruit. Encyclopedia is a type of book, right? So we are done with first kind of analogy questions, that is word analogy questions. Now I will take you to the second kind of analogy questions, which is your letter based analogy questions. Letter analogy questions. Okay. Or else we can study some questions based on number analogy also. Number analogy. So we are studying type 2 questions which is based on number analogy. So in number analogy, what we do is numbers are written here and we have to find the number based on our knowledge. So for example, 4 is to 16. So we know that 4 square is 16. So 5 square should be equals to 25. तो यहाँ पे क्या आना चाहिए? यहाँ पे आना चाहिए 25. Okay, 4 square 16, so 5 square should be 25. Now there are different approaches which we use. बहुत सारी अलग अलग approaches है जो हम यूज़ करते हैं फाइंड आउट करने के लिए. क्या approaches हम यूज़ करते हैं? पहली approach है we usually find the ratio of the two numbers. They may have a constant ratio. Okay, we find the ratio of the two numbers. They may have a constant ratio. Okay, for example, question mark 90% I would say maximum questions in CUET analogy can be solved using this ratio based logic. Okay. So 12 is to 60, what is the ratio? We can say 12 5s are 60. So here the answer should be 13 5s are 65, 13 5s are 65. Okay. Next question. Yes, tell me the answer. 15 is to 105, so 12 is to what? Okay, so 15, we know that 15 sevens are 105, so what should be the answer? 12 sevens are 84, answer is 84. The ratio is same, जो ratio है same है, 15 है 105 का जो ratio है वो same है, 12 एंड 84 का जो रेशियो है सेम है, 1:7 का रेशियो है. ओके, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो भी क्वेश्चन आए आपको एनालॉजी में, फर्स्ट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज यू हैव टू टेक द रेशियो. मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस इन एनालॉजी कैन सिंपली बी सॉल्व्ड बाय यूजिंग द रेशियो मेथड, बाय हैविंग, because in most of the questions they have a constant ratio. Next is, okay, next approach. Here next approach is, here you should try so in analogy you should try to get the second number from the first number by multiplying, adding, subtracting, squaring, cubing, taking the digit sum of the first number to get the second number. How we can get second number from the first number? There are different approaches. Okay, multiplying, adding, subtracting, squaring, cubing, taking digit sum, etc. to get the second number. Let me elaborate further. For example, question number 4. 5 is to 125, so 6 is to what? 5 is to 125, so 6 is to what? We know that 125 is the cube of 5, है ना? 5 cube is equal to 125, तो 6 cube is equal to 216. 6 cube equal to 216. Okay. So what we have done here is we have taken the cube. Cube of 5 is 125, cube of 6 is 216. Likewise, there can also be a question of squares. Suppose 12 is to 144, so 16 is to what? 12 is to 144, so 16 is to what? Yeah, we know that square of 12 is how much? 144. So square of 16 will be 256. Answer will be 256. Okay. So what we can do is we can square the number, cube the number. We can also sometimes take the digit sum of the number to get the second number. Okay, we will discuss more questions based on this concept. Okay, let me solve one question. Yeah, 235 is to 10, so 428 is to what? Two 35 is to 10, so 428 is to what? Okay. So what we are doing here is we are taking the digit sum. The digit sum 2 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 10. Okay. Likewise, we should here also we should take the digit sum. So here digit sum is 4 plus 2 plus 8, that is nothing but 14. So answer is 14. Okay. Answer here is 14, because what we are doing here is we are taking the digit sum. Now please try to solve question number 8. It uses a similar logic. Question number 8, 56 is to 30. Okay, 56 is to 30. How can we get 30 from 56? If we take the digit product, the digit product of 56, is what? 5 into 6 is equal to 30. 5 into 6 is equals to 30. The digit product is 30. Okay. Here 78. What is the digit product? 7 into 8 is equal to 56. So answer is A, 56. Right? Answer is 56. I hope you have understood the logic. Question number 6, please try to solve, everyone. Question number 6. So question number 6, see, whenever you get analogy question, पहले क्या करना है, सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है, रेशियो लेना है. सबसे पहले टेक द रेशियो. ओके, व्हाट इज द रेशियो? 6 is to 48. वी कैन से 6 7 जा 48, है ना. द रेशियो इज द सेम, 6 7 जा 42. तो हियर ऑल्सो द रेशियो शुड बी 7 7 जा 49. आंसर इज 49. राइट, 7 7 जा 49. Answer is equal to 49. Okay. Question number 3, approach number 3. So we have studied two approaches. Okay. First approach which we studied was we simply find the ratio of the two numbers, they may have a constant ratio. Second approach which we studied was this approach. We should try to get the second number from the first number. Try to get the second number from the first number by multiplying, adding, subtracting, squaring, cubing, taking digit sum of the first number to get the second number. Okay. This whole approach also we have studied. Next approach which we will study is so sometimes a relationship, third approach, if A, B, C, D are large numbers, we use the digit sum, digit difference, digit multiplication to get the second number. Okay. So this question which we solved, this was based on the digit sum approach. ठीक है. जब भी लार्ज नंबर्स मिलेंगे, वेन एवर वी विल गेट लार्ज नंबर्स, what we will do is we will usually have the approach of using the digit sum, digit product, digit difference and so on to get to our answer. Okay, तो we solve one question more, एक क्वेश्चन और सॉल्व करते हैं इसकी बेसिस पे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Question mark. Try to solve this. Okay, so here what we can see is they are large numbers. ठीक है, usually for large numbers what we do is we use the approach of digit sum, digit difference, digit multiplication to get the second number. Okay, so let us see how we got the second number. If we take the digit sum यदि हम लेते हैं तो क्या आएगा 4 + 8 + 3 + 2 है ना, ये क्या आएगा हमारा सम 8 + 4 12 + 3 15 + 2 17 है ना. तो लाइकवाइज हमें इसमें क्या करना चाहिए 6342 6 + 3 + 4 + 2 = 6 + 3 9 + 4 13 + 2 15. Okay, 4 + 2 6 15. So answer here comes out to be 15. What we are doing here is we are simply taking the digit sum, right? ठीक है, we have covered two types of analogies. One is the GK based analogy, other is the number based analogy. Third type of analogy we are going to start, which is the letter based analogy. लेटर एनालॉजी. ओके, सो बिफोर स्टडिंग लेटर एनालॉजी थोड़ा सा बेसिक हमें पढ़ना पड़ेगा. बेसिक हमारा कुछ थोड़ा कुछ हमें बेसिक पढ़ना पड़ेगा. बेसिक हमारा क्लियर होना चाहिए लेटर एनालॉजी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट लेट अस स्टडी द बेसिक्स. So basically in letter analogy we study letters. You should know कि बेसिक है, ये रीजनिंग का पूरा बेसिक है कि क्या क्या हमारे लेटर्स हैं. ठीक है, तो जो हमारे लेटर्स हैं अल्फ़ाबेटिकल सीरीज़ में ये है A, B, C, D, E. तो हम जब रीजनिंग पढ़ते हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं, हर लेटर को एक नंबर असाइन करते हैं. हर लेटर को क्या करते हैं, हम एक नंबर असाइन करते हैं. ओके, A1 A को 1 असाइन करते हैं, B को 2, C को 3, D को 4, E को 5, F को 6, G को 7, H को 8, I को 9, J को 10, K को 11, L को 12, M को 13, N को 14, O को 15, P 16, Q 17, R 18, S 19, T 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. Okay, letter analogy. Now, using these letters we solve questions of letter analogy. कैसे solve करेंगे समझते हैं. देखो, क्वेश्चन इज ऑफ दिस वे, क्वेश्चन इज ऑफ दिस फॉर्म. इस तरह क्वेश्चन आएगा इसमें. सेलेक्ट द ऑप्शन दैट इज रिलेटेड टू द थर्ड टर्म इन द सेम वे एज द सेकेंड टर्म इज रिलेटेड टू द फर्स्ट टर्म, है ना. तो संडे इज टू RWKHV, तो एनुअल इज टू व्हाट, है ना. तो हमको ये रिलेशन देखना है कैसे आया एंड उसके बेसिस पे एनुअल इज टू निकालना है कि किस तरह से आएगा. ओके, नाउ हम जो हमारी अप्रोच होती है लेटर एनालॉजी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने की, वो ये होती है कि हम लेटर ऑन लेटर कंपेयर करते हैं. हम क्या करते हैं, लेटर ऑन लेटर कंपेरिजन करते हैं. जैसे कि संडे का एस है, ये देखो इस संडे के एस से आर कैसे आया, इस संडे के एस से आपका आर कैसा आया. ओके, तो कैसे आया, एस देखो यहाँ पे एस -1 गया तो आर आया. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, एस से आर कैसे आया, -1. उसके बाद u से w कैसे आया, तो u से +2 जब मैं गया तो मेरा क्या आ गया, UVW. +2 गया तो w आ गया. n से k में कैसे आया मैं, तो n से k कैसे आया, 1 2 3 -3, है ना. उसके बाद d से h पे कैसे आया मैं, तो d से h में कैसे आया, +4, है ना. तो अप्रोच इज -1 +2 -3 एंड +4. करेक्ट. तो लाइक वाइज एन्यूअल ना ए का मैं जब -1 जाऊंगा, व्हाट इज -1 ऑफ ए, इट इज z. n का +1 o, इस n का भी +1 o, सॉरी नो, इट विल नॉट बी दैट वे. -1 +2, -1 +2 होना चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे -1 करूँगा तो z आएगा. n का क्या करूँगा, यहाँ पे +2 करूँगा, तो n का +2 क्या होता है, OP, है ना. इस n का फिर मैं क्या करूँगा, -3 करूँगा, तो n का -3 क्या होगा, 1 2 3 ZPK. ओके, नाउ जस्ट सी ZPK कहाँ मिल रहा है, ZPL रॉन्ग, AOK रॉन्ग, BPK रॉन्ग, ZPK where we are getting in option number D. Option number D is the correct answer, right. Moving on to the next question. I think it's clear to everyone. If there is any doubt, you can put your doubts in the chat box and we can discuss the doubts. Question number 19. Again, reason SFBTPO think. Question number 19. Try to solve. Okay, R to S. Okay, R से S, तो what is it, +1. E से F, E से F is again +1, ठीक है. A से B +1, S से T +1. So what approach here we are using is +1. We are simply adding +1 to get our answer. Okay, now T का +1 क्या आएगा, U, H का +1 I का +1 J, N का +1 O, UI JO. Answer is B answer, UI JO. I hope there is no doubt. Next question, question number 20. Blocked is to YOLXPVW. So what is to OZF MMXS? ओके तो क्या है, फ्रॉम बी वी आर गेटिंग y, है ना. तो एक्चुअली दे आर दी अपोजिट लेटर्स इन द अल्फाबेटिकल सीरीज. हाउ अपोजिट? बिकॉज b आगे से सेकंड है, y क्या है पीछे से सेकंड है, 1 2, है ना. तो ये क्या है, अपोजिट लेटर्स अल्फाबेटिकल सीरीज में. b से वी आर गेटिंग y, ओके. l वी आर गेटिंग o. नाउ l इज 12th फ्रॉम द फ्रंट, okay, and O is 12th from the back. I'll just count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12th. Okay, so O is 12th from the back. Okay, again now C का क्या आ रहा है, X आ रहा है कोड. Later on letter we have to compare. C is 3rd from the front, 1 2 3, and X is 3rd from the back, 1 2 and 3. So they are opposite letters in the alphabetical series. They are basically what? They are opposite letters in the alphabetical series. Okay. Now we have to get for O. Okay. O का भी हमने देखा. What is the opposite letter? L. तो यहाँ पे क्या आना चाहिए, फर्स्ट लेटर आना चाहिए L. ठीक है, L इसमें है, इसमें है, इसमें नहीं है, एलिमिनेटेड. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट है Z. तो अपोजिट लेटर ऑफ Z क्या हो जाएगा, A हो जाएगा, है ना. बिकॉज Z इज पीछे से फर्स्ट है और A क्या है, आगे से फर्स्ट है. तो LA. उसके बाद F. F क्या है, आगे से सिक्स्थ है, पीछे से सिक्स्थ कौन है, 1 2 3 4 5 6, U. ठीक है, LAU. अब LAU कहाँ मिल रहा है हमें, LAU हमें मिल रहा है B में. ऑप्शन नंबर B is correct. So we can, option number B is correct. We can move on to the next question. I hope there is no doubt. इसको हम बोलते हैं opposite letters in the alphabetical series. Okay. Next is A O E F U J. तो A से we are going to F, O से we are going to U and E से we are going to J. Just see क्या approach है. So A to F means 1 2 3 4 5. A से F means plus 5. O से U means 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 6 and E to J means 1 2 3 4 5 again plus 5 plus 5. Okay. So approach here is plus 5 plus 6 plus 5. Now R से plus 5, 1 2 3 4 5. W we should get K से plus 6, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6. Q WQ जो है it is only in one option, that is option number D. Okay, I hope the approach is clear to you. Moving on to the next question. Question number 23 we can discuss. Question number 23 we can discuss. Okay. Select the option that is related to the third term in the same way the second term is related to the first term. Okay. D से E जा रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं? +1, B से E, तो B से E क्या हो जाएगा? CDE +3 एंड U से Z, तो U VWXYZ +1 +3 एंड +5. Approach is +1 +3 and +5. C से +1 D, J से +3 KLM है ना, KLM M DM DM, B is eliminated, C is eliminated. Next is H, H से +5, H से +5 क्या हो जाएगा? IJKLM है ना, तो अगेन इट शुड बी DMM, तो आंसर इज D, DMM. Moving on to the next question. Question number 24th. Jog to G. Question number 24th, again same question. Jog is to JLHP. So J से we are going to G. Okay. So J से G is 1 2 3 -3. O से L. O से L. Again this is what? This is -3. K to H. From K to H, this is again 1 2 3 -3. From E to B, this is again -3. करेक्ट. क्या कर रहे हैं? बेसिकली हम -3 ले रहे हैं. R से हम -3 करेंगे, R से हम -3 करेंगे, क्या आएगा? R -3 1 2 3 O है ना. एक सेकेंड, O -3, हाँ. R से वी आर गोइंग -3 1 2 3 O. ओके. अगेन I से -3 वी आर गोइंग 1 2 3 F. ओके. ओके. S से वी आर गोइंग -3, S से -3 1 2 3 P एंड K से वी आर गोइंग -3 1 2 3 H. Answer is OFPH. First is the correct answer, OFPH. Okay, this is given wrong. Answer should be A. Subtract -3. Right. Now we will be solving a previous year question of CUET exam. So let us discuss the previous year question. These are actual CUET previous year paper. Okay. Now, question based on analogy. Knowledge is to ignorance, so limited is to what? Knowledge is to ignorance, so limited is to question mark. Okay, so knowledge we can say it is they are opposite of each other, है ना. Knowledge का opposite होता है ignorance, है ना. तो they are opposite of each other, antonyms हैं. तो limited का opposite क्या होगा? What will the opposite of limited? Immense, right? Minute, no. Restricted, no. Dull, no. है ना. Answer of limited will be, the opposite of limited will be immense. Clear है सभी को? Next question. Eleven is to 143. What is to 221? तो हमने क्या पढ़ा था? सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं? जब इसके क्वेश्चन आते हैं एनालॉजी के, सबसे पहले हम रेशियो लेते हैं, है ना. रेशियो लेते हैं. तो 11 is to 143 क्या रेशियो है ये? 11 1 जा 11, 11 3 जा 33. ओके. तो दिस रेशियो इज ऑफ 13 टाइम्स. 13 टाइम्स का ये जो है रेशियो है. तो 221. अब हमें देखो ये A है इस टू B है, ये C इस टू D है ना. अब हमें इसमें C निकालना है, तो D से हमें C पे जाना है. तो क्या करेंगे? D से C जाने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? डिवाइड बाय 13 करेंगे. विल नॉट मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 30, विल डू डिवाइड बाय 13, है ना. तो 221 इज टू 13. 13 1 जा 13, 13 7 जा 91. आंसर इज 17. Right? Answer is 17. Okay. So this is your demo class of general aptitude logical reasoning. If you enroll for our course, you will get live online classes by top educators of India, recorded videos for all the online classes which you can view any number of times. Study material will be also be provided to us. The study material is having 3500 plus MCQs. So let us discuss what benefit you will get in the live online coaching. If we enroll for a live online course, you will get live classes by top educators of India. You will get all the recorded videos. You will get study material with 3500 plus MCQs. 3500 plus MCQ study material you are going to get. Okay. Apart from that, you will get all India test series. Okay. All of these benefits you are going to get if you enroll for a live online course. Thank you everyone.